the man in the shop.
Yeah.
He said, competition
Yep.
to get $10,000.
Yeah.
It's not start yet.
Yeah.
If you catch it,
Yep.
you gotta cut the tag, keep the tag, take
Yes.
picture,
Yep.
picture of fish,
Yeah.
measure,
Yeah.
take everything,
Yeah.
and then call the phone number, and you have to wait till the competition.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I believe that we can get today big one.
I believe it too. Why not?
Yeah. You need to buy new one.
Nah,
Why?
I do not. When we get the one, we'll celebrate.
Yeah.
And we'll eat some food.
I prefer vodka, you know.
Yeah, we'll
I don't
celebrate.
like Coca-Cola.
We'll have cola and cheese.
Ah, yeah. You can get that. Wait.
Here you go. You fucking bite, you go.
Yeah. Just. Yeah. So,
I think it's maybe caught.
maybe caught. Yeah.
It's caught.
Caught.
Quick, get net, there you go.
Come on, don't rush.
Get net, there you go.
Yes. Now I can make.
You hold it there, there you go.
Yeah, okay, no worries.
You gotta hold it good.
Yes. Wait, mate.
Coming in, there you go. I got it, there you go. We have it, there you go.
Yes.
It's heavy, there you go.
Yeah, I know.
It's a good one. Oh. Oh, there you go.
We must save lives.
Yeah, we put it there.
Yeah, put it back, but I mean,
We have to
check
cut the hook.
a hook.
Hook is
inside.
gone inside, we have to put it back.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, it's not too far, there you go.
Oh, really?
Look, have a look.
Hey, come on. It's not too far. I give you. Wait. I give you especially.
Pliers.
Yep, just one scissors.
It's a nice one, there you go.
Yeah, you was right. You are first. You winner. You are winner.
He's not liking it.
Of course, he's not like.
Maybe
okay,
cut it off.
Yeah, I will. No, oh, belly.
Strong.
No. Get inside.
Be careful. It's got spike here. Be
Yeah,
careful.
I know.
You must get here.
I know.
Maybe cut it off. There you go. Maybe cut it off.
No.
You don't? No, I think we cut it off. There you go. I can't see. You can't get it. It's too hard.
No. Come on.
It's what? It's got teeth, man. Bit it. It's not easy. You hurt the fish.
Easy.
You can hurt the fish.
Yeah. Don't rush. Slow. Yeah.
It's coming, but I need stick. Maybe stick and push off, you know?
I think you can get this one.
Hang on.
With your
Maybe
foot.
the stick and push. No, it's very strong here, we go.
Yeah.
You can't. You can't here. But once you catch it there, it's...
Okay. Cut it because it's not really right. It's illegal cut, you can get it.
I cut it. Now we must take picture, put back.
Yeah, take picture just.
Oh my God! Strong. How long do you think we were fishing before I caught it? How long was I fishing? 15 minutes?
Maybe less.
Yeah, this is, you know.
I think less, maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah, well sometimes you catch it like in the spot, then you have to move. Next, down a little bit, chuck again. Because territory. Maybe small ones there, but big ones, it's...
I think he's in shock.
Yeah.
And now
Yeah, oh, they do go in shock.
Yeah. Exactly.
When they come out of the water, he's in shock. Oh my God. When I tried to put it, it's fucking heavy. When I chuck it, it hit the fucking stick.
Yeah.
Boom, and then he fell back.
Yeah.
But it's very strong fish, I think it'll be okay.
Yeah, exactly.
But I like to get near the water close and put it. You can't.
Yeah.
You can't do it. That's why you have to catch one before you go.
But I've got 2 fish.
Yeah, but a nice one. It's better. Then you caught you during the caught them. Did you take the film when I was when it was in the water? Yeah. When I was getting it? Yeah. Good. Not as big.
Not as big. My lucky friend. Again. Don't rush, don't rush. It's carp.
Nah.
Carp,
It's
carp.
cod. It's cod.
No, it's carp.
Cod. I see it.
Oh, okay.
It's cod.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, good spot.
This one maybe lifted up, Igor.
Yeah, I think, yeah. No, don't rush, don't rush. Don't rush.
On the lip, good one?
Yeah, good one, it will be...
Yeah, it's heavy. You feel this one?
Yeah, I think maybe 2 kilo, maybe more. 35 centimeters.
Take picture. Ready?
Yep. Oh!